In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Shopify subscription step by step. First, head over to the Shopify website and click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. Enter the email address connected to your Shopify account, type in your password, and log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside your Shopify dashboard, navigate to the Settings option located near the bottom left corner of the screen. Inside Settings, click on Billing or Plan depending on your Shopify version. This section contains all details related to your Shopify subscription and billing cycle. Next, locate the option that says Cancel Subscription, Deactivate Store, or Pause Store. Shopify may show alternative options such as pausing your store instead of fully canceling it. If you only need a temporary break, the pause option can help you avoid losing your store setup and data. If you want to continue with cancellation, follow the on-screen prompts and confirm your decision. Shopify may ask you to provide a reason for canceling your subscription. Simply select the reason that best matches your situation and continue. Before finalizing the cancellation, make sure you back up important information like customer data, order history, product listings, and reports. You should also review any active app subscriptions or third-party services connected to your Shopify account because some services may continue billing separately. If you purchased a custom domain through Shopify, consider transferring or managing your domain before closing the store. Once you complete the confirmation process, your Shopify subscription will be cancelled according to your billing cycle. You can also find more help through the official Shopify Help Center. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to cancel your Shopify subscription and properly manage your store closure process. Thanks for watching.